Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today I'll answer the question that a lot of our patient has been asked, if semaglutide can be taken while on testosterone replacement therapy. The use of semaglutide has spiked up in recent months because of its effect on weight loss. Also, there are a lot of men that are already on testosterone therapy. So the question is if they can take semaglutide while on testosterone replacement therapy for weight loss. And the simple answer is yes. There is no known interaction between semaglutide and testosterone therapy. Testosterone improves your overall energy, sex drive, and lean muscle, whereas semaglutide is also used as a diabetic medication, lowers your appetite, lowers your craving, and improves your insulin sensitivity. So semaglutide will help you lose weight, and because there is no known interaction, it can be taken together to achieve the results that you want. Now, both the medication individually has its own side effects, so even though there is no interaction with each other, you still want to talk to your provider to make sure that you are a good candidate for testosterone replacement therapy or semaglutide itself. If you have any question, give us a call, give us a thumbs up for more videos. Thank you.